How are you today?
Good. I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing great as well. Very excited to talk to you today. Let's start. All right, now first question. Who is Dr. Patricia Petralba on a personal level?
On a personal level. Oh, I'm
Yep.
so surprised with that first question. Well, I can't deny I'm Pinay. So I was born and raised in the Philippines. I'm currently practicing in the US. Um, I'm a mom of two, and about to be a mom of three in a few weeks. So I'm currently pregnant. And what else about me? Honestly, I'm a very curious soul. Like I love learning and more about the healing modalities that I can share with my clients, with my family. Guess that's me in a nutshell. And I'm also a dog lover, a nature lover. I used to practice a lot of yoga in studios, but being a mom of two, it's mostly home practice. That's me, I guess, in a nutshell. But of course, there's so much more to it.
All right.